Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2 to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth or connected devices. Now open the case and it should enter to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold on the button at the back until this LED light starts flashing. Now we should see it. Yeah, click on it. Pair. Now hide the settings and let's go to the application. Open it. Can I? Yeah, and it add your headphones automatically. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.